Hi everyone, we're going to make some cute mermaid dimensional bows here. Now I purchased this die, I found it on eBay, and it comes with these 3 pieces right here. And I love the cute little mermaid tail. I'll put the link down below. And here are a few that I made. Adds a little dimension to it. These ones I don't have dimension to it. That's really pretty much what it creates. This one I did use an embossing folder. You could see it more on this one. So I used this embossing folder by Doris. It's called Scales. And then here's another one. And this is using Prima's Apricot Honey paper. Really pretty paper. Okay, so let's make one. So I die cut it out, and I use my little sidekick here. It fits perfectly on this little die machine. And then you'll need a 1/2 inch circle punch. You'll need to punch out 14 1/2 inch circles. And I usually use a different design paper for the scales than what I'm using for the tail here. And what you're going to do first is I just take this curling tool by Sizzix and I curl upward, and then this one I curl downward. Okay, and then I start adding my little circles, and then I just use my fingers because it's such a tiny piece. I just curl it up, half of it. So you want to do that to all 14 pieces. Just curl them up. Just use my thumb here. And it makes a really pretty dimensional bow. So I'm just going to do that really quick here. Alright, so first you're going to add the first circle at the end of this part of the bow. And I'm going to use my fine line applicator here. So I just cover half of the circle. So I just put the first one down. Oh, it's this way actually. Just like that. And then I'm going to do the same to the other. So the next row I have 2. So I just kind of stagger it. And you can place these scales however you want. This is just how I did it for my bow here. So it looks like that so far. Oops. And then the next row, there's 3. So you're going to add your 3. Just looks really pretty and dimensional. And then place the one in the middle. So far it looks like that. And then the next row there's 4. So you're going to add your 4. So, and it's pretty with all sorts of different papers. So you can get fun dimension. It looks more like a mermaid tail. Let me put it a little closer so it fits within the bow. Okay, and then the next row, what do I have? Oh, this one I didn't. I had too many on it. So the next row I have 3. So just put 3. This one I added a little bit more. So again, you know, there's lots of different ways you could add these scales. And then if you want to give it a little bit extra dimension, you can add some glitter or maybe some texture paste to it. Would be fun as well. So then next row there's 3. And then let's see what I do. Oh yeah, and then I just added 1. Just push it down a little more so it fills it up. Okay, so there you go. And then you're going to add your little adhesive right here. Just like so. Then I use a clothespin just to hold it down for a second. Whoops. Such a tiny clothespin. Okay, there you go. And then you could just adjust it. Just reshape it. Okay, and then I'm going to take this piece right here and add our glue. So I'm going to add it to this part of the tail. Just fold that down. And then I put back the clothespin. Then you can curl this up a little bit more. And then you'll take your little, let me get a little bling here. So I'm just using some Satan crystals. And I'm going to put one, she'll use this blue here. Right in the center. And there you go. You got your really cute dimensional mermaid towel. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching. Bye.